Today we're at McDo with this girly. Kasama din natin si Alexa. Alexa, hi to. Hi. Sabi mo hi guys. Hi guys. Si Bella. Wait guys. Sali ka namin sa video. Say hi guys. Sabi mo hi guys. Ipopost ko to sa YouTube tapos dignan nyo. So guys, we're gonna wait for the food. Where's Bella? Bella? Bella na naman umalis? Speak English. They don't understand. What happened? What happened? And you may be wondering why are we wearing shiny things? Because we went to a dancing party. Yeah. Ayo. Ayo. Buti yung strong. Ayo. Ayan na yung pagkain. Ay.
Lek, dito ka na lang. Susubuan kita, ha? Lek,
Hi. Bumi ako.
burger cake, Lek.
Okay guys, let's wait for the part 2. Bye.